Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeORM Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the what are aliases for. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So aliases is basically used in the TypeORM query builder. Why it is used? Aliases are used to identify the tables or the entities in the query, especially when working with the complex joins and the filtering. In that case, we will use the aliases. And aliases is basically a shorthand or a nickname for a table or entity that allows you to refer to it concisely within the query. Okay, so why it is crucial? Referencing entities using aliases lets you identify specific entities in a query like user or the post. Handling joins. When joining the related tables, alias is used to distinguish between the different tables and the entities and their fields. Avoiding name conflicts. If there are fields with the same names across multiple tables, aliases prevent conflicts. How? I will show you. Okay, so first of all, we have this user entity, right? Here you can see that we have the user entity now. Okay, so let me open the code base. So here you can see that we have a user entity. Let me update this with this one. Okay, so this is our user entity and we have to create the post entity at the same post entity, right? So this is our post entity, okay, which have the relationships, right? So many to one, and here we have to, I think this is user dot, and let me just check this. We have a user, okay, and here we have a post, right? So let's go with the post. Okay, so resolved, right? So in the data source we have the user post and the post entity, right? So here you can see that how we have used that one. Okay, so this is basically the connection and waiting for the data source to be initialized. Then we have a repository, that is the user repository. Okay, example, fetch users who have the post with the TypeORM in the title. So we have created the entity. After that, we have insert some of the data with the posts and the user. Okay, so we have a keyword that is TypeORM. I want to fetch with that keyword. Okay, so what should be my query? So this is the query, right? User with post, await user repository, create query builder, user. Here, user is an aliases for the user entity. Left join and the select. User dot post, and post is an aliases for the post entity joined with user. When it is joined with user, okay, so we have mentioned it as a post should be an alias for the post entity, okay, with user. Where post dot title, like keyword this, using the aliases post dot title, okay, to filter by the title. Otherwise, if suppose in the user we have the title and the post we have the title, so there will be a conflict when we are calling that one. So aliases that we should use to avoid the name conflicts, so this way we can use that one. Okay, so sometimes like id, suppose both cases user and the post have the id. If you're not getting in the like the aliases, then definitely there would be conflicts with the ids. Whose id, whether it's to be a user id or the post id. So aliases in that way helpful for that reason. Okay, so another, and here you can see that I will explain what exactly it is. So the create query builder user, we use the user as the aliases for the user entity. This allows the use us to refer it concisely throughout the query. Left join and the select user.post. We join the post relationship of the user entity given it is a alias post. This means that we can refer to the fields from a post using the post field name, okay, which is especially useful for filtering and selecting the data from the join tables. Where post or title, like the keyword, okay, so we use the alias post to specify the condition on the title field. So here we are title field, right, of the post. This is critical because the title could be otherwise referred to the field in the another table, but with the alias, it is clear we mean the title field in the post. Okay, so this is how you can avoid the conflicts with that. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.